Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a fresh wave of exciting news from the tech world. Google's next big thing, the Pixel 10, has just been spotted in the wild, and these leaks are giving us a pretty solid idea of what's coming. Over the weekend, the Pixel 10 Pro, or maybe even a Pixel 10 Pro XL, was seen out in the open. And no, this wasn't your usual blurry, low-quality leak. This time, the phone showed up at a public beach in Vancouver, Canada, being filmed for what looks like an official promotional ad. Yep, Google's already in motion for its next flagship, and it looks like they're not too concerned about keeping it a secret this time. Even more interesting, the person who came across the shoot managed to sneak a peek at the storyboard. That's the visual plan showing how the ad is going to play out. And that gave away even more juicy details about what Google's got in store for us. One of the most attention-grabbing features coming with the Pixel 10 is something called AdMe. This is a brand new AI-powered camera feature that sounds pretty amazing. Basically, it lets you add people into a photo even if they weren't there when the picture was originally taken. Imagine you're snapping a group photo, but you're the one holding the camera. With AdMe, you can actually insert yourself into the shot, like you were always there. It's like photo magic, powered by Google's next-gen AI tech. Perfect for those family photos or group shots where someone always ends up left out. Now, let's talk about how the phone looks. From the leaked footage, it seems like Google is sticking with its updated camera design. The Pixel 10 features a black, oval-shaped camera module with a slightly larger oval bump around it that houses the LED flash. It's a new twist on the classic horizontal bar design we know from the Pixel lineup, but it still holds onto that signature Google style. In terms of colors, Google's stepping up their game this year. The standard Pixel 10 will come in Obsidian, which is black, blue iris, a kind of purple blue, and limoncello, which we assume is a bright, lemony yellow. As for the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL, those will be available in Obsidian, green, sterling, a sleek gray, and porcelain, a classy white shade. The blue variant spotted in the video shoot really stood out, giving the phone a modern and eye-catching look. If you like your tech with a splash of personality, the Pixel 10 series might have something just for you. So, when can you expect to get your hands on it? Well, normally Google drops their Pixel lineup in October. But last year, they surprised us all by launching the Pixel 9 series early, in mid-August. Based on what we're seeing now, it looks like they're planning to stick with that earlier schedule. That means we could be looking at a Pixel 10 release in just about 3 months, around mid-August 2025. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your phone, it might be a good idea to hold off just a little longer. The Pixel 10 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones of the year. With standout features like the AdMe camera trick and fresh design updates, it looks like Google is really trying to shake things up. If you're hyped for the Pixel 10, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new AdMe feature. Is it a clever innovation or just a fun gimmick? And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video.